Open the box, check out the contents. Plug in the DC power. Now the red light is on, so you have to wait until the green light. So this is the pull out button. Now we see that the green light is on. Insert the filament. While pushing the filament, press the extract button. Now wait until the plastic is out. And when it is out, you can begin drawing. So we adjust the speed slower. And this is how we adjust the speed faster. When you have finished, you can press the pull up button and pull the filament. Break the filament. After finishing your drawing, you need to press the start button to clean out the nozzle. Now unplug the DC power. If you have encountered some problems, you may need to hit the nozzle for at least 2 minutes. Very important, remember to use protection, it is really hot. Now plug the DC power, and you may want to wait for the green light to be on. So we put out the filament and wait. Okay, so we unplug the DC power and we try to unplug the nozzle. So unplug the nozzle and yeah, wait. Okay, we insert the plastic from the back of the nozzle and we push hard. We try to clear the head.